Hi everyone, it's Alexandra and thank you for clicking on my first video. I've been dying to make a YouTube channel ever since I was in elementary school and I finally did it, so thank you so much. Make sure you like this video and subscribe and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. I'm thinking about doing beauty stuff, fashion, and maybe vlogging my college life. We'll see. But if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Hi again. So I started out with concealer and foundation already on my face. For foundation, I used the Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup in the shade Fresh Ivory and Almay Clear Complexion Concealer Corrector in the shade Medium. So after I put on concealer and foundation, I also put on chapstick. And then for some reason, I wanted to show you guys these really cool rings that I have on my fingers because I wanted to kind of make this video all winter theme and blue if you haven't caught on already. But yeah, so let's get to the video. To apply the eyeshadow, I'll be using e.l.f.'s Professional Eyeshadow Brush. And all the shades I will be using are coming from this eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I absolutely love this palette because not only was it super affordable, but it has 100 different shades to choose from, which is amazing. So first I'm going to take some of this light blue shimmery eyeshadow and put it on the inner half of my eyelid. Next I'm going to take this really pretty ocean blue shade and put it kind of in the middle and kind of on the outer half of the eye. Also, I don't own an eyeshadow blending brush, so I also use this brush to kind of blend these two colors in together. I'm then going to go in with this sky blue shade, and I'm going to put this in the middle of the two colors that I just put on my eyelid and kind of use it to blend the two colors together in a way. And of course I don't have the blending brush, so it's not going to be blended how I think it should be, but this brush does fine. I'm going to go back in with some of the first shade and just pack it on to where I originally put it because I felt that there needed to be a little bit more of that shade on my eye. And just ignore these funny faces I'm about to make. I was using my phone as my mirror and wasn't quite used to doing that. So then I'm going to go in with this dark blue shade. It's the last blue shade in this column of blues. And I'm just going to pack it on in the rest of my eyelid, so the outer corner, the outer half of the eyelid. And then I'm just going to take some of that shadow and kind of blend it towards the front. Then I'm going to dip into this black eyeshadow. And I won't be using eyeliner for this look, so I just kind of use the black shadow at the outer corner of the eye and try to make like a wing shape, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I kind of use this at the outer corner just to kind of complete the ombre effect. And I'm realizing I really need a blending brush at this moment. Yeah, and then so I just kind of use my little brush right here and try to blend it in as best as I can. And then of course, this is me realizing that I got black eyeshadow on my face where it's not supposed to go, which made me really sad. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just going to keep on blending that black shadow in and ignore the black shadow mark on my cheek. Yeah, and this is me realizing what a disaster it's become. This is why I need to use a mirror instead of my phone. Okay, so I'm back with both eyes done, and I cleaned off as much black shadow as I could with the makeup wipe. I'm going to go in with this small smudge eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to pick up some white eyeshadow and put it in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them up. And then take a spoolie and just brush out my brows. As you can see, they're kind of a little bit of a mess. They're just kind of everywhere. Which brings me to my next product, which is also from e.l.f. if you haven't caught on. I have a lot of e.l.f. products, but this product is amazing. It was like only $2 or $3, and it's gel for your eyebrows, and then the other half is clear mascara. I just absolutely adore this product because it really does keep my brows in place, and so basically I just put the gel on my brows and then I use the spoolie again to kind of just reshape them into how I want them to be. And of course I do the same to the other eyebrow, and then I poke myself in the eye right here. Yep, that's me. Anyway, I'm going to use the other side of this product and put my mascara on. I absolutely love clear mascara, and this was the first product of clear mascara that I ever tried, and it's great because you can just kind of put it all over your eyelashes and not have to worry about getting black mascara all over your eyeshadow after you just completed it. Once again, I'll try and find all these products online for you guys and link them in the description box below. So yeah, now I'm just doing my lower lashes. And that completes the whole eyeshadow look, but I also wanted to just kind of put highlighter on. So I'm using this brush from e.l.f. again, and this contour palette from Ulta. I'll be using the Luster highlight for this look. Normally when I apply highlighter, I just follow kind of that natural glow on my cheekbones. Of course, I'm using lights to kind of amplify that for the camera, but I just kind of follow that and then move back to my hairline. I'm also just going to take my finger and a little bit of the Luster highlight and just kind of put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Just kind of give it a little shine. And then I'm also going to just put it on top of the Cupid's bow. And this is the final look, the one that I was wearing in my intro. And just enjoy this compilation of me pretending to be a model. Yeah. Anyway, I really like this eyeshadow look. I think it's really cute for the winter, or if you're just in the mood to wear blue eyeshadow, because why not? And yes, I slowed some of these down for the dramatic effect. So this is the final look that I would wear out in public, but I just wanted to kind of add a little something something to make this look a little more interesting and just add more blue because, again, why not? So I'm going to take this bold lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Midnight Blue, and I bought it for like $10 from CVS on one college night because I didn't have any blue lipstick and I felt like I should have it for some odd reason. And yeah. So yeah, it always takes me a little time to kind of apply lipsticks, especially darker shades like this one, just to make sure it's not patchy. And I always somehow get over the line and then I end up like overdrawing the lips or something. Can anyone relate? Anyway, here is kind of the final look because there is one more thing I'm going to add to this look, and that is a little bit of white lipstick on the lips to just kind of give it some more dimension. And I am using a white lipstick from the same Maybelline line in the shade Wickedly White. And that is all. This is the ultimate final look for this video tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. I definitely had a blast creating it, and I hope to create some more, so make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks!